Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's making a great weekend, folks. It's a TGIF. Don't make assumptions. Be yourself around others. The biggest assumption that humans make is that everyone sees life the way we do. We assume that others think the way we think, feel the way we feel, judge the way we judge, and abuse the way we abuse. We are afraid to be ourselves around others because we think others will judge us, victimize us, abuse us, and blame us as we do ourselves. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 160. NASDAQ off 75, S&P's down 24, gold contract up $6.90, traded at $1,279 an ounce. Silver up 7 cents, $17.34 an ounce. Platinum down $10 at $9.92 an ounce. Copper down a penny at $2.02 a pound. Light sweet crude down $1.49, $49.07 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year note up 14 ticks, 131.17. 30-year bond up a full point, 168.15. Both notes and bonds, folks, all-time highs. King dollar up 638 ticks, 94.59. That's a counter-trend bounce, light volume. King dollar wants to run down to that 91.88 area. Euro's trading at $1.12, and the yen is at 106. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&P, let's take a look at it. What do you have? The bear suit's on, folks. Bottom line, S&P, the cash S&P this week, where'd we go? Wednesday, you got 2120. Bottom line, couldn't handle the highs that were generated out here on the May of 2015. Now, the top of that high is 2134. The bottom of it is 2120. And what you're going to see here, what do you have? You have a test of the lows of the high. You're going to have, we'll see, I have to do the volume at the end of the day. Bottom line, you get a rejection of the 2120. We're at 2091 right now. And what do you have? Guess what, folks? If we go over to the SPY, you get volume coming out of the market on a Friday on the way down. Really unusual. We take a look at, and the sum of that is. We take a look at the S&P. This is what you have with the SPY. SPY right now, we're down 254. You're down 74 million shares. That's after trying to get into a high on Wednesday with 66 million. That's a confirmation that lower prices are coming at us next week. Next stop down, 202.72. That's the swing low from the 19th. NDX 100. What do we have with the NDX 100? NDX 100, same type of setup. Big expansion of volume on the NDX 100. NDX tried to make a high out here on the 6th with 12 million shares. We're down with 25 million. NDX 100 also going to be start running to the end, to the bottom of the first trading range we're at, which is 104. Bigger issue is going to be now we'll get game on from the February lows. That's what the bigger game is on right now, folks. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold wants higher price. We get free money out here inside the bond market. What do we have with gold? This is what we have. Gold right now is at $1279.30. You've done 146,000 contracts. You're in the higher range. The last high out here is 1308. We're going to go for that 1308. We'll see how it handles it once it gets up into that level. Bonds. Okay, so let's go to the notes first. This is pretty amazing. So the 10-year note, you've done 1 million contracts, over 1 million contracts. You're at 131.18. You're basically, you took out this consolidation, and you took it out like butter, folks, okay? This thing just sliced right through it, had wide price spread, accelerated volume, and what that sets up right now, that's going to set up, 29, 30, 31, yeah. This is setting up a 134.18 inside the 10-year, which is just amazing, because a 134.18, by the way, would actually put us under 1.5. That'd be about a 1.4. Right now, we're at a 1.6 10-year yield, okay? So if you need a mortgage, go get it, because that means that the mortgages, 30-year mortgage is going to be running probably at a 3.4, maybe 3.3, 0.35. Pretty amazing. The 30-year bond. What do we have with the 30-year bond? 30-year bond also at all-time highs. It's going to be an all-time closing high, I suspect, in the 30-year bond. We are at 168.17. Actually, let me put this up in the continuous contract, because what we had done is that there was one spike in the bond market. Let me just see if it actually got over it. Yeah, no, this is going to be an all-time high. So all-time closing high. Yeah, it's going to be an all-time closing high. 169.31. Bottom line, big numbers, folks. And if you take a look at the 30-year, what you're yielding out here, we are yielding 2.441. Pretty amazing. No two ways about that. King Dollar. What do we get with King Dollar? King Dollar's got a counter-trend move out here today. You have it up 653 ticks. You have 21,000 contracts. This is what you have. We're at 94.51. This King Dollar had come down with 34,000 contracts, got into a lower low at 35,000. You're bouncing out here at 21, and we're at 94.56. King Dollar is making, it looks like a B to a C of a ABC structure on the way down. King Dollar wants to go after the swing low that was generated out here on the 3rd of May. That swing low is 91.88. That's on the shorter term aspect. When you actually bring this back, and I put this on a continuous contract, and this is where it opens up the whole ball of wax, folks. And what it is this, is that, you know, the 91.88 wants to get tested. If 91.88 does not hold, we're going to see King Dollar down at 88 very quickly. 88 is the area where King Dollar was the highs of 2008, 2009, and 2010. It's not there's a huge amount of support there, but I suspect we get some volumes at those highs. That was 3 years of trading. Bottom line, I expect that you're going to see it go there. We go over and we take a look at the small caps. What we have with the small caps, the IWM. IWM down $1.97 today. You get 25 million shares traded. This is not bad. You know, it's backing down. Volume hasn't exploded to the downside yet. Inside the Dow Industrials, the mover inside the Dow Industrials today, you have Goldman Sachs is down 2.3%, Caterpillar's off 1.9%, Boeing's down 1.8%, and JP Morgan is down 1.8%. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Dow's down 164, NASDAQ down 77, S&P's down 25. You can expect more selling as we come into the close out here today. It's going to be a nasty close, folks. We'll come right back.